Hi Robert, this is Brittany. I promised I would provide you a video with some tips and tricks on how to increase your online presence, and I'm going to go over 3 things. I'm going to go over content, backlinks, and citations, and then I'll show you the opportunity of taking these steps for your business. So the first thing I want to go over is the content on your website. First thing I notice is your really cool, beautiful, high quality video here. That's super great for marketing. I love that. Now I'm looking at words on your front page, on your home page, and unfortunately there's not a whole lot of content here, or keywords. I'm not including the reviews that you have, which is great to have as well, but you only have really these words here, which just are not really explaining your services. It's just more of things that you have as far as what you guys install. So we definitely want to have a lot more content here on your page. Recommended amount is 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout and tell Google exactly what terms your website wants to be found for. So, for example, someone might search carpet installation in Columbus, Georgia, or Columbus, Georgia wood floor contractor, for example. So those are some really good location and service specific keywords. So I went ahead and Googled and I searched floor installation Columbus, Georgia. First thing that pops up is something called a Google Map Pack. And this is super important as 30% of consumers will opt for one of these businesses to do their service. And the most important aspect though is down here in the organic search results. 60 to 70% of people will find a business for the service they're looking for on this organic search result. So when I was looking at this result here, you see some directories, you see Yelp, Angie's List, and Houzz, and the first organic search result that pops up is Rusty's Floor Covering, so they are in the top of this organic search. And I went ahead and opened up their webpage, and here it is. So, Rusty's Floor Covering is your competition since they perform a lot of the services that you do. So looking at their content, they still don't have the recommended amount of content that I stated earlier, 15 to 2,000 words. They have some beautiful pictures like you do. But their content isn't so great, but I'm going to get to why they are ranking high at the top of Google in just a minute. So I want to go over one thing first. The first thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. We just covered content. We're now going into backlinks. Here you see a tool that I use to research websites. I went ahead and put you in here as well as your competition. We use this tool to evaluate your performance on your website. So there's 2 things here. There's a DR rating and a UR rating. The DR rating is essentially a power rating by Google, and the UR rating is a trust rating. And these 2 things are rated by something called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you might find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's like a popularity contest. However, not all links are created equal, so the best links that you can have for backlinks are of quality and that are relevant to your industry, which is flooring, and that are local. So when I was looking at your backlinks, unfortunately, they're not the best quality. They have a really low UR rating here, as you can see that I'm going down on, and a lot of them are duplicates and don't have to do with your industry. So for example, we have the talk show Gwen here, which is not relevant. So you definitely want to focus on those quality backlinks over anything. So looking at your competition's backlinks, they only have 31 backlinks, which is a lot less than yours. However, because they have such good high quality ones, they have a good UR rating at 11, whereas you do not have a trust rating yet, just due to the fact that your backlinks are not of good quality. So you do want to have some good quality backlinks. Alright, so we've got over content and backlinks. I want to go over last, citations. Now a citation is anywhere your business name, number, or an address are shown, exactly as per your Google business profile. And citations help you rank in the map pack I showed you a little bit ago, as this is extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue here. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, and there's a bunch of others, and social media accounts as well. So the idea with citations is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is that you're going to rank above them. So let's look at your citations. You guys have currently 6, your competitor has 16. So I would definitely want to get more citations with all your business information throughout the internet. I would suggest probably 50 or a little bit more to beat your competition and also start ranking in the Google Map Pack. Alright, so we have gone over content, backlinks, and citations, and these 3 things come together, and you'll be able to outgrow your competitors by getting these things ranked, and here is why they're so important. So I'm looking at your competitor again, and they're getting some pretty good organic traffic to their website, and whereas you are not, so having a 0 organic traffic just means that your website unfortunately is not doing much for you to get you guys traffic. So you guys can definitely get that up with those 3 things I mentioned. Last thing are keywords. So currently you guys are ranking for 6 keywords, and these are pretty good high quality keywords. They're location and service specific. You have carpet installation, Columbus, Georgia, flooring installation, Columbus, Georgia, hardwood floors, Columbus, Georgia, etc. And there's a really high search volume for these words here. However, the position that you're ranking for these could be a lot higher. You want to be in the top 3 for this. Looking at your competition, they have 51 keywords. So they have more keywords than you. And they also are ranking at a higher position with those keywords. So you definitely want to repeat the keywords that you guys have, but you also want to have more keywords. So I would suggest 100 or so keywords that you guys should have on your homepage and throughout your content so you can beat your competitor here. Alright, well that about covers everything I wanted to share with you today. I hope this is helpful. I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence. So thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback. My contact information is below in my signature. I hope to hear from you soon, and have a great day.